my gosh, you guys. There's a bird sleeping right there on a log. On that log right next to the hummingbird feeder. He's just sleeping. Bees buzzing around it. It's just chilling. Like, how cool is that? I'm not sure, like, I swear that its eye opens up a little bit sometimes when I move. But I'm not sure. Oh. It just moved its head forward a little bit, like nodding off. There's plenty of water out here, so I know. Well, I guess there could be more. It could arrange for more water. But he's just sleeping. Well, this is what my garden looks like at 15 to 1. I just came out to do a walk around. Oh, there's water out here. I have not refilled the bird feeders yet. Maybe he's like waiting on me to do that. But that's a big bird. Like oh, a zinnia bloomed. I planted those zinnias, and then there's a couple zinnias that I planted last year that are growing. That's a big bird. Oh, that scared me. Wow. That was a pretty bird. Had white stripes on its wings. That was cool. Anyway, I just wanted to do a short little video out here of the bird. I was on the phone with my friend, and I was telling her about it. She's like, do a video. So that's what I did. So it's Shane Silver Lake. If you're new here, it's just a vlogging channel on gardening and beautiful stuff, like this beautiful butterfly that just flew over to us. All right. Peace, love, and happiness. May peace be with you always. Have a wonderful day, week, hour, minute, month, second, year. You know the schmill. Don't forget to rewind and be kind. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you later.